Alright, so we're going to do two things in this video. The first, we're going to show how to do a section of this drawing that's here. We're looking at a section elevation of plane BB. So as this figure is cut over here and the arrow is pointed upwards, this left side should be removed. It must be noted that this piece here is what? Is this a solid piece?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah. Like a solid?
Yeah. Is this a main piece? Is this a main piece here?
Not in the view.
So what we call this piece here, so?
Web.
That's a web, right? So that's supporting. So that's important to know. We drop a vertical, we drop a horizontal. So the first thing we're gonna do is just draw the circle. So that circle there has radius 15 on it. And then is radius 15 plus 8 for the second circle. So 15 and 8 gives us 23. And those are the two circles. So the reason it's cut this way, we're going to be looking at it in this arrow. So we'll actually be looking at this face. So it's not that I did it the other way, I did it the right way. Offset. So we want to offset here 9, half of 9 is 4.5. So we offset here the middle. And then we're going to come down. Is there a measurement there? There's a 40 coming down. So let me offset the 40 coming down. And then there's a 9 that we need to offset. Now we have offset the 40 and the 9. We just need distance from the center to the left and to the right. That's 75. Half of 75 is 37.5. Enter.
So you go subtracting 19.
Subtracting 90.
The 9. You gotta talk about the 9 first.
I'm going 9 in already. We'll just check to make sure my measurements right. Just to make sure. Alright, so this should be correct. Let me just check the dimension.
That's a really press the undo.
Control Z is undo. So over here, we should have a 40 from here coming down. So that is legit. No, I clicked the thing. Did it offset that on 9 or 10? Yeah, that was 9. So that is 9, and then this should be 40. Alright, good. So that's correct. Over here now should be 75. Repeat them. That is 75. And here should be 9. That is good. Yeah, I think that's it. There's not 33. 33 should be an automatic measurement then. Alright, so that's correct. So the measurements are right. The only thing that is missing is the web. So the web comes from the edge all the way up to the edge here. So that's web 1, and here's web 2. So the view that is here is finished. Now when we cut straight through this piece, we're going to see this like flat piece here. It will actually still look the same as this. The only difference is that when we come to hatch it, this piece here, we will see this curve hatch. We'll see all over here hatch. This piece over here should be cut as well, but because that is a rib or a web, that will not be sectioned. So this is actually the sectional elevation of this drawing. For the drawing that we did earlier, this is what sectional elevation looks like without these two purple lines. Y'all follow this so far? Remember, we don't put any hidden detail in the section, and yeah, I think that's that. Y'all have any questions? Are we good? Alright, so when we go to print, let's say I wanted to print this. You go to print. Okay. You don't need any name for setup. If I save the setup, that would be helpful. But I usually do it manually. Microsoft Print to PDF. You want one copy, you want it to fit to paper. change the letter signs, want to plot, window. So it automatically gives you an option here of to select the window. So if I wanted to only print this view, I would only select this view. I would not select all of these because this would be too much for one paper. So I would just try to average. I could preview it, but I'll just save it one time. So I'll save it as print. Print exercise. So that should save the desktop. So print exercise is here. And this is what our drawing should look like.
Sir, we go across the one, too, sir.
No, I don't think so.
Huh?
No, I think we got class on. Choose this. I will check. So this is what the final drawing will look. You will see that there's an error here. Oh, that is a construction. So we're just missing the center line. This should be center. And if you zoom in, you can see the actual weights of the lines, which is what we will see with the actual drawing.
You thought it was the line, yes, huh?
Yeah, it did. If you have like multiple lines, like if you did not erase a line, sometimes it looks that way.
So then it's printed like this to market?
I print it like this to mark it.
To show them we keep that line and that you always miss.
And
You know,
then
that
you
one,
always-
try, that one show
Alright, so this is the end of the video.